Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset Pop5 Tecno. You first put the phone off. After putting it off, when it's totally off and nothing like power is totally drained from the phone, then you press the buttons. You press power button and volume up button all together at the same time. You keep on pressing them even though the phone takes long to pop up. When you see this interface, you don't need to let go. When you let it go, it will go back again and you will have to flash it again. Sometimes it brings this command in case you want to flash this phone using a firmware or using a PC. So if you see this, you don't need to let go the buttons. You have to keep on pressing the button, the volume up button, until you see format interface. So here, when you press like reboot system, it will reboot and be on. What you have to do, you first put the phone again off. You put it off by scrolling down. Then you start afresh and press again like how I've told you before. Press power button and volume up button all together at the same time and wait for the screen to pop up. You have to be patient. Some phones take a lot of time like this. So when you see this interface, you keep on pressing volume up button until you see no command. When you see no command, you press volume up and power button together at the same time and keep on raising as you press. So here, when you see this interface, you use volume down to scroll since the phone doesn't touch at all, and look for where you can see wipe data or factory reset. Then you select using power button. Use power button to select. Then use volume down and power button to select. When you see this, that means you have to reboot the phone. After formatting it, you click on power button to reboot the system because you have already formatted, as you can see it down on the phone, and wait for it on this step so that it can finish formatting everything. Sometimes it takes a lot of time on this stage, but I've tried to skip up some spins to save some time. So you have to wait for it, don't worry about anything. Then here we start setup wizard like of a new phone. We select the language, we click on start. After selecting the language, then you select your country where you are. Then you click next. Here you can skip on the Wi-Fi. So please guys, try to subscribe this channel, like and share for more content. Thank you.